so many people liked the installation video, and I got so many comments like this, like this one, like this one, like this one, like this, like this. And I thought, you know what, let's do fringe bangs on the hair before I take it down finally. Hello and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Crotchet. How are you today? How are you? Yes, you. How are you today? As you can see from the title of this video, I'm doing like a change of look to show you the different ways that I styled my Jamaican bounce crochet hair. This is 7 days after I installed the hair, and I must say that at this point the hair is not as soft and nice feeling as it was the first day. It's a little more spongy now. This is 1 week later and it has this spongy feel already to it. I mean, it's crochet hair, it's not very expensive, it's not human hair. I wasn't expecting so much from it, to be honest, but yeah, it's still wearable, it's still manageable, and it still looks great 1 week later. But I thought to change my look after 1 week, and I took out my half up, half down. I created these nice bangs on this Jamaican bounce crochet hair. Do you want to know how I went about it and the braid pattern that I used to achieve this look? Then don't go anywhere, I will get into it in a bit. So this is the half up, half down, 7 days after I installed it. Like I said, it wasn't as soft and manageable as it was on the first day. So I just took out the front bun only. I left the back and just losing the top bun. And then I started my braid in front, just like this. So braids done, I just tucked it nicely at the back, just to make sure that the tip of the braids doesn't start showing. It's time to begin my installation, and I split one strand into two so that I have it tiny in front, and just the normal way you do your crochet, hook it in through the cornrows, take it to the other side, tie it and pull. And I continued that process all through on each of the cornrows. For the middle cornrows, the way you insert your pin is very important. It's important to make sure that you insert from the inside out, so that when you're done installing the hair, it's lying flat and right on your forehead, so it's not hanging, because if it hangs, and you're done installing. Using mousse is the only way I know how to control these curls best. Like when I use my mousse, the whole hair just becomes so calm and easy to control and trim, and yeah, it's a very important part in the installation process. my colleagues to see me with this hair. YouTube can see me with this hair, Instagram can see me with this hair, but I don't know if I want my colleagues to see me with this hair, so I'm going to be taking it down very soon. But for the sake of this video, enjoy it while it lasts. Alright guys, so I'll see you in my next video. Thank you once again for watching. Stay safe and peace out. You know I'm going to do my peace out. I've got to do my peace out. Goodbye.